What we gonna do tomorrow, when I get home from school, we gotta lower this car. Alright, Rumbeezy here. I just reached home and the sun is going down, so I gotta try to shut this down real quick. Lower this car. I done did that side, so I can do this side. This side set to 55 and the back marks out. Cause for some reason with these Civics, the back just don't go as low as the front. They never do. So I'm gonna drop this car up, take off the rims, and set the ride height. Alright, so here we go. 55 is this one right here. That side set to that line right over the 55. Take this old rust up tool, because it's a tool that you use, but I only got one, so I'm gonna use that in a screwdriver and ring it off and lower it down. Okay, let me lower this one now. I hope this one not jam up like the one on the next side, man. So I had marks the other one out, and it got jammed up and it's still stuck like this, but hopefully when I drive and hit a bump, it just mash it up and go straight down. And I don't care if it mash up, because they just coil sleeves and I got extra ones anyways. And if anybody got any complaints, sponsor me some coilovers. And if you can't do that, I don't want to hear nothing. You see, I marked it out in the back and this shit's still too high. Let me look on the other side. This side's so tall because it get jammed up. So it go. Alright, the box still high, so I'm gonna take it for a drive and see if when I drive it would loosen up the coil sleeve, because I got it marked out, but the top piece still stuck at the top. So like try to hit a bump and see if it would lick it down, you know what I mean? And then this side, the front need go a little lower, but I'm not doing that today because the sun going down, you know. If this bitch start. Warm up, warm up, warm your ass up. One more time. Yeah. You know better. Well, I took it for a little spin around the block. I keep smelling rubber, but none of my tires rubbing. And it's not even low enough to rub inside of the wheel well, so I don't know, man. I don't know. And this one's super high, so can't be this one. She never went down. I'm vexed about that. So now you know what I gotta do. I gotta go into the trunk and pull off the whole shock and lick it out and replace it with one of those coil sleeves I got in the garage. Ah boy. I think I might be ending the vlog, yeah. But I'm gonna message my brother Harry, you know. See if he home, so I could go pick up the bucket seat for this car. When I get through, that means the vlog done here. If I get through with it, I'm not gonna be seen because I can put it on the vlog. So alright, busy way, you done know, we out. Alright, gonna link my boy Harry, you know, to go pick up the bucket seat. So me and the cameraman heading out to the yard, you know. Alright, so the rim's back inside, you know. Let me get the seat. I just took it out the car. I mean, like, you know, for what I got it for, it was worth the deal still. And the leather parts on it still clean, like no cracks on it. And the suede part, you could brush it on, clean it out, and then you could actually dye the suede back black. So just another project. Cause I need to switch the seat rails. They're gonna put on the driver's seat rails on this, cause it's a passenger seat. It got Civic seat rails, but passenger. So I put the driver's seat rail on it. So yeah, better than nothing, bro. And then I got two of these, some old school Recaros. Wow. And you're getting too cluttered on the organized shit. Some old school Recaros, like what come in the Evo ones. Kind of dirty because this bitch keep laying down on them and messing them up, scratching her ass. Come here, I need to have a chat. You come here, come here. Come. This way. No. See? Same thing I say. She loves sitting down in them. The first thing she gonna do is go sit down in chair. You see this? No, don't go in it. This is not a bed. This is my seat. You understand what I'm saying? I don't want to hear nothing in there. This is not a bed. Don't even think about going in it. You done mess up these ones over. Come here, look at this. This is you. You put your ass in this and your dirty paws. But like I was saying, no. I just clean them up and take the cleanest one and put a passenger seat rail on it and put one of these as a passenger seats and then use that as a driver seat. Or I could leave the SIR one in there, which I kind of like already. There's a blue stitching, but don't matter still. Like I was saying, now, see what I telling her? Caught red-handed. What I tell you? Huh? What I tell you? Don't even think about it. I don't see no dog hairs in this in the morning and Sativa. Yo, I'm talking to you. Alright. Alright, Rum Easy here. I'm sweating. I don't know what I'm sweating for. Wasn't really doing shit. But we're gonna end the vlog, yeah? Until tomorrow when I put in the light bulbs in the car. I don't know. I'm gonna do something. Find something to do. Yeah, busy way. You done know. We out. This is the next day now. I've been gonna get the hood from the shed around the back. And we're gonna put that on. This hood painted up because I did some foolishness on it from when they were on the scrap car, but and sand all that off and sprayed over whenever. This a hood. This one, yeah, rust out. Watch out. Rust everywhere, rust underneath, rust, and that one has none. Throw that on and then I wash the car and clean up the rims and thing. As you can see, this hood, no bueno, rust everywhere. You dead? What? Hmm? Not dead, he's shedding his skin. He's still alive. Alright, so the things on this washers from the dress up kit, so we using Allen keys. So yeah, we got them in, line it up. All you gotta do, take the Allen key and tighten them down. And don't screw them in all the way, because just like every other Honda part, you gotta line it up or else it's gonna be off. Even if you screw it in late, you know. So I just going by the lines that are around here that left from last time it was hooked up to the other car, and just use that as a guide. Let's take a look at it, see if it lines up. Off a little bit. This side got a smaller gap than this side. And loosen both of them and pull it over more to the right. Doing this, a lizard just shutting. He ain't business what's going on. The camera in his face. There, that look a little bit better. What the hell type of spider this is? This what happened when you go out, use the head. The fitment's still off a little bit still. And pull it back up and then pull in this fender a little bit more and leave this side like this. This side, alright. Alright, so all we're gonna do now is loosen these and pull in the fender a little bit more at the front and try get that, you know, good fitment. Not perfect, but good is alright. See that? Right here could pull in a little bit more, but that's for another time. Over here, look good to me. Alright, so she's nice and clean now. I don't remember how clean his tank was in the last video. Look how dirty this thing is already. And it's just been like 2 days.